Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are going to do something special today. We are going to be doing something called making milk. Now, many people think that milk just comes from cows, but you can actually make milk from a lot of different things. So you can make it from the likes of oats or soy or rice or anything like that there. There's plenty of different types. So what we're going to do is make some lovely oat milk. Are you excited to make some oat milk, Poppy?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. You gonna drink it?
No.
No? Well, we'll see about that. So, first things first.
Wow.
We are going to soak these oats here in warm water, aren't we, Poppy?
Yeah.
And then once we soak them for about 20 minutes, and that'll just help all the water get into them, and then we can make some lovely milk. So, if you just watch your hands there, Poppy, I'm gonna pour it in, okay? It's a wee bit too heavy for you, Poppy. Alright, so we're just going to add this. It's just some warm water, just to help bring out the lovely flavour. Let it soak for 20 minutes, and that should hopefully do the trick. Alright, see you soon. Hello, and welcome back. So, Poppy, we have just spent the last... What were we doing? We were just watching the TV. And now, if you look at these here, they are lovely and soaked, these lovely oats. So now it's time to drain the oats. So we're going to use a sieve for that. So we found the sieve, we're going to use this to drain the oats. I'm going to bring your chair ready. Hold on tight. Now Poppy, I'm going to pour this in and then you're going to use it to collect all the oats. Right, you ready? 3, 2, 1. Lovely. Alright, so that is a lot of our oats there, and you can see it's even starting to milk itself now. There's a lot of that milk coming out, but we want to we're not going to be using that stuff there. Are we, Pops? There's our good girl there, and here is our blender. And let go, Poppy, please. So we, just like that. And we pretty much cut it all out in one go. And now we just fill it with water.
Can I do it?
Yeah, you turn the tap on.
Okay, maybe cold water.
Yeah, you put the cold water on, please. Good girl. Now I'm going to take a wee bit of this here, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Can I do it?
No, I think that's enough water now. So, as you can see, like straight away, it's starting to go like a cloudy colour.
Wash my hands first.
Okay, good girl, you wash your hands. I've already washed my hands, so don't you worry about that. All being hygienic here. I'm actually just going to add some Madagascan vanilla to this here, because I think it'll be delicious. We'll add some sugar to it as well. Alright, so a wee bit of sugar. And whoa! We have got a lot of sugar. Sugary shugs. Well, it's going to be delicious. He's eating some of the sugar. Sneaky snakes. I'm not really sure about the measurements or anything for this here, but I just you just whack in as much as you think, and it kind of just works out. Alright, you ready? Alright, so let's blend it up, okay?
Okay, Daddy.
Oh. Helps if I turn it on.
It's very loud.
It is very loud, isn't it?
Yeah.
But that should be the first stage of the milk done. Let's see what it is. Wow, look at that there. Now it does get a better colour than that there. That is just, it just looks like that there because I don't really know what it looks like that there. But we'll sort that out because we've got these. So we'll put this stuff in. We'll put the nut milk, well this is technically oat milk, but we'll put the nut milk in and then we will basically squeeze it out, squeeze it through like a cheesecloth. Now this actually, it does, we've done this a few times before and it does leave it a wee bit icky and flippy, but it's worth it. It's nice to do. So we're just going to use the bowl that we were using earlier and we're just going to squeeze the nut milk into there. You hold the bag like this. Can you do it for me?
Okay.
Like this, open. I'm going to pour it in. So look, you can see the lovely milk coming out here now. That's basically taking all the good stuff in there. So Poppy, I need you to help me with this here, okay?
Okay.
So I need you to hold it above there. Oh, we almost spilt the milk. Whoa! So yeah, you just gotta do this here, let it all drain out, and we're probably gonna get about 2 litres of milk here. Poppy did a really good job there. And you can see it, like, do you see it all just like coming out? See, the more that I just put pressure on it, the more it comes out. It looks so mad, doesn't it? Like it's just like the droplets coming out there. Alright, I think it's time to put it back in the bowl. Give my hands a little wash. And then dry them, and then that is us. So, there is our lovely oat milk there. It looks just like real milk, like it's even got that lovely white colour. And that's with the sugar and the thingy in it. Oh, and as you can see, Poppy is still eating away at the sugar here. That's just the classic 3-year-old, just loves the taste of it. I've just put the rest of that in there, back in the X kind of processor kind of thing. You can use a processor or a blender, but whatever works. And with the rest of this here, you can actually turn it into like oatmeal cookies or anything like that there. But today we're just going to focus on the milk, and I'm just going to make myself a lovely coffee using this oat milk. Thank you very much for tuning into this episode of the G Family. Me and Poppy had a lot of fun, and we're going to enjoy drinking this milk here. You ready for a glass, Poppy? You ready to try some milk?
No.
Okay, well,
I want to try. You try.
I will try the milk. Well, anyway, thanks for tuning in, folks, and we'll see you next time. Bye!